everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me today. Today is Saturday. It is a beautiful sunny day, so I thought I'd do a quick video for you guys, and then I'm gonna head on outside and do garden work and yard work because tomorrow it's supposed to be a super rainy day. So before I get started, if you are a new watcher, welcome. Thank you for joining me today. If you could please subscribe to my channel, anyone who's watching and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. You can click on the KC logo icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen there, and you can subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget, I have Etsy sale going on. I believe it ends tomorrow. So everything on my Etsy shop is 30% off. So go and check that out before the sale ends. There's a few pieces I wanted to show you, but I will show you those outdoor pieces. They are the beautiful big 16 by 20 shimmer and shine. The black and white Dutch pour, those have all been resined and they are fabulous. So I'm gonna take them outside, I'm gonna videotape them, and then you'll get to see what they look like out in the sunlight, as well as my Emerald Sea Deep Ocean Dutch pour as well. That's also finished. I'm very excited. My wood guy is bringing me a bunch of new stuff today. Unfortunately, he won't get it to me in time for me to put in this video. So stay tuned for the next video. I will show you guys all the new wood pieces. You won't believe the pieces I have lined up. One of my favorites is the new Miami Dolphins logo. So yay, fins! Yes, my husband is a huge Miami Dolphins fan. The whole half of the basement is total Miami Dolphins fan memorabilia, all that stuff. So I do have a Dolphins logo coming, but that's not for my husband. That's actually for another client, but I may make one for him, maybe for Father's Day. We'll see. In the meantime, I do have two pieces to show you. So this is a letter G that I had a client request. I've painted it black because I'm getting it ready for resin, but that's pretty neat. And then this is also for a client. This is pretty cool. So this is her dad's initials, VAP. So super neat as well. That's also painted black and ready to go. I've taped the back as well. A lot of people have been asking me, oh, can you show us videos of how you're resining all these wood pieces? I do have two videos. One is the unicorn video. It's, I believe, video number 198. And then I have the dragon video as well. I don't know what video that is, but I can't resin and videotape every single piece because it's too time consuming. Usually when I work on all these wood cutouts, I will throw 4 or 5 of them on the table here and just plow through them all and just do them all one by one and get done. If I sat and videotaped every single animal shape, I'd never get them done and I would be behind and my clients would be waiting for months. So please understand that I cannot, unfortunately, videotape every single resin cutout, okay? But yeah, so thank you to everyone who's ordered one. Stay tuned for the next video to see the new pieces. I wish I had them now so I can show you because they're so cool, but you're just gonna have to wait. Okay, so that's it for that. I will show you guys the outdoor pieces and then we'll get started on today's painting. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so here are the pieces outdoors, and I wanted to show you, don't mind the noise in the background. We've got people cleaning up, but here is the black and white, and it dried beautifully. See if I can get that to shimmer in the sun. Look at that, just amazing. So it's got a beautiful coat of crystal resin, and it is flawless, just flawless. Then we have this beauty. Now, let's see if I can catch it in the light with the sun. Let's go this way. Ah, there we go. Look at that. Amazing. Now, this piece and the black and white piece have sold. So I will give them a few days to cure, and look at that. It's amazing. I love it. So I will give that a couple more days to cure properly, and then I will ship it off. And then we have the last piece here, which is my Emerald Sea piece. And this one is available. So if anyone is interested in this beauty, it is available for purchase. Look at it. Oh. And these also have crystal resin. They're not varnished. They have a beautiful coat of crystal resin on them. So if you are interested in this piece, this one is available. It is a 10 by 20 inch canvas. And you can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. So there you have it. Those are the outdoor pieces along with the frog and the giraffe. And let's get to painting. Okay guys, welcome back. So what we have here is a 12 by 16 inch triptych. You may or may not have seen video number 201 where I did a coral reef Dutch pour. It was a very popular piece. I had a lot of people inquiring to purchase it, but there was only one. So I had a lovely client by the name of Judy ask me to do another one for her using the same colors, but also adding a little bit of the interference micas from ColourArte. So I've gone ahead and done that. So the question is, can I or can anybody duplicate a Dutch pour? Now, we all know that's probably not going to happen, but how close can we get it to match? So that's my challenge for me today, is how much can I make it look like the original pour? So let's go ahead and give that a go. I figured, you know what, I might as well record this, show you guys a video, and that way Judy also gets to see the making of her piece. So we are starting off with the following colors. We've got Payne's Gray by Pebeo Studio Acrylics. And with it, I have added Interference Blue from the ColourArte Bling It line. Okay, so I'll put that over there. Next, I have Mettalic Cobalt Blue by Loft. I'm using that one as is. Then I have the 24 karat gold by DecoArt. And with that one, I have mixed in the Interference Gold by the ColourArte line. Then we have Thalo Blue by Grumbacher's Academy, the Grumbacher line. And to that, I have added Rich Cobalt. I've added that. Then we have Iridescent Blue Green by Pebeo Studio Acrylics. I have left that one as is. And then we have Greenish Blue by Amsterdam. And to that, I have added Meridian Blue. All right, so Meridian Blue. So that's what I've gone ahead and done. And I've mixed them into these little cups here for the ones where I've added the ColourArte to it, the pigments. If you are interested in purchasing anything from the ColourArte website, you can save 20% off the entire site using code Kanella120. So you can buy whatever you want on the site and get 20% off. So I've already gone ahead and laid the white base on my canvases. I'm just popping the bubbles real quick. All right, I have used the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White, and I mix this with water and Floetrol. If you want to know the ratios of how I mix that and all my paints that are here in my Loli Veffy squeeze bottles, you can find that in video number 63. I will link it up at the top for you, and you can click on that and get the ratios. All right, so let's get started and let's see what happens with this piece. I hope I have enough in these little cups. Yes, I do. All right. We'll go back the other way just to finish it all off. All right, put that there. Now we've got the Mettalic Cobalt Blue. See, it's so much easier with squeeze bottles, but if you want to add primary elements to them, you got to put them in these little cups. All right, so let's go with the gold. Definitely mixed enough of that. Followed by Thalo Blue. I think there's going to be enough of this too. Whoops. Went off a little there. Okay, let's try that again over here. There we go. And then we have the Iridescent Blue-Green. Oh, that gold sure is pretty. Okay, and then the last color is the greenish blue by Amsterdam. Just barely made it. I'll scrape whatever's in here over here. All right, looks so pretty. Let's torch the bubbles real quick. Voila. And let me guess, my hairdryer is not plugged in. It's not, because I had my heat gun plugged in because I was doing resin. All right, so let's blow this out. And as you can see, I have not put my canvases close together. I've decided to start keeping them apart. It saves me from having to fix and clean up the sides. So we will do it like that. And let's start with, let's see, where shall we start? Let's start over here. Do you notice how I take my time more when I'm blowing out my pieces lately? So I've decided to start being a little more methodical and start actually thinking about where I'm blowing and doing it slowly as opposed to just going really, really quickly. And then next thing you know, I've blown it the wrong way or I went in the wrong direction. And the other thing I've been doing a lot of is I start with the hairdryer up high. And then if I find it's not moving the paint, then I will move it lower, a little closer. If you start too close and you turn on that hairdryer, you will literally splatter paint everywhere, if it's thin enough, of course. And you'll splatter the paint everywhere, and then you've just made a mess. So, you know, a lot of people ask me, oh, my hairdryer isn't strong enough, or when I blow it, it just splatters everywhere. Start up high and then work your way closer down to the canvas. And then you'll see as you're moving closer to the canvas, you'll get a sense of how well your paint is moving. So when you get a little closer, if it's still not moving, get a little closer. If you get a little closer after that and you find that it's moving nicely and not splattering it everywhere, boom, that's where you need to be with your hairdryer. So do that, okay? So that's what I've been doing a lot of lately as well. Oh my gosh, the shimmer in this is fantastic. I love, love, love these colors. And so I'm loving, I just love all of this. I think I'm just going to blow a little bit here to get some more of this beautiful phthalo blue in here. So I'm going to do that real quick. Okay, there. I don't think I want to touch anything else, actually, to be quite honest with you. I am going to torch this, and this petal because you can see there is white. Actually, I'm going to use my other torch. It's not as powerful. That torch that I used earlier is super duper powerful. So I'm going to use this one, and I'm just going to torch just these petals right here. And that's it. Because there's a little white, the petal is white, and I can tell underneath there's color there. So just a little floof stir here and here, and a little speck of blue, and that's it. I'm so happy with this piece. Judy, if you're watching, I hope you love it. And I will bring you guys down for a close-up. Be right back. All right, guys, so here it is. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show both versions with the studio lights on, and then I'm going to turn them off because it really does make a difference. But I'm loving this, what is going on here. That's super neat. And the gold in here is so pretty. Oh, that looks like a little fish face. 2 eyes and a nose. I'm always looking for things in my paintings. It's so bizarre. But you can definitely see the shimmer. That looks like a shark's eye. Shark eyeball. Super neat, which is kind of fitting because it is a coral ocean piece. But look at that. So amazing. I'm loving it. Absolutely love it. Okay, so that's what it looks like with the studio lights on. So let's turn them off and see what we get. All right, so the lights are off. And now let's see. Now you can really see the shimmer. Look at that. That is amazing. I love primary elements. They really, really do add such beauty. Look at that. But even here, look. That is the interference gold, just with a small little sheer of overlay, and that's the interference blue. Just skimming the top of the paints. It's so pretty. I love it. Absolutely love it. Amazing. Well, Judy, I hope you're watching, and I hope you are loving it. For everyone else, please feel free to comment below and let me know what you guys think in the comments. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it. And don't, oh, so pretty. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. That way you're notified every time a new video is posted. So that's it. Check out all my other social media links below. The information for the ColourArte discount is in the information below as well. Kanella 120 to save 20%. All my social media links are listed below. My PayPal link for anyone who would like to donate to my channel. It is always greatly appreciated. I can't thank you guys enough. And that's it. I'm going to go and enjoy my day outside. I hope you guys are having a lovely weekend so far. And I will see you guys on the next one where I will show you guys my new wood cutouts. Or if you're on Instagram, head on over there later this afternoon and you'll see them posted there first. So that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I will see you guys soon. Take care. Bye.